How to copy Discord profile link on mobile. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Discord application here, and it will lead you to your chat area or your messages area. So here you will see your servers, your direct messages, and your conversation that you have there. Now the next thing that you want to do is to go find a chat here. So let's say this chat here, and then you just have to tap on your profile in the conversation, and then on the upper right you will see three dots there. Tap on that, and here you'll see two different options there. You'll see copy username and copy user ID. So I want you to choose your copy user ID here, and as you can see, you have copied your ID, and basically that is how you copy your profile link, your Discord profile link on mobile. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.